So what you've probably heard is that the gradient m is equal to rise over run, right? Now, what does that mean? Well, the rise and the run, yeah? Well, let's have a look on this beautiful diagram that I've drawn just here. So talking about the rise for a second, what does the rise mean? It means how much does the line go up in between these 2 points? Now, we can't guesstimate that, but we can definitely say that we have this point, which we can call point 1, right? And then we've got another point here, which is point 2. And this is based on the fact that our first point 1, is further to the left. And it has, and this is a telltale sign that you can work this out, is because the x value is smaller and or more negative if we're in the other quadrants, yeah? So what we can do is to work out the rise, right, the difference in height between the 2 points, we can simply take out the distance of these 2 points. So the first point is going to be y1, whatever y1 is. Say it was 20, could be 5, could be 1 gazillion. So y1, point 1 is going to be whatever y1 is above the x-axis. And point 2 is going to be whatever y2 is above the x-axis. Remember, rise is the difference. And what does difference mean mathematically? It means minusing, right? So if we wanted to work out the rise, which would be this purple line here, right? Basically the difference in the height, well, all we would need to do is calculate the difference between the 2 points, which would be y2 minus y1. And similarly, with the x values, the run, which is how far along are we going in between our 2 points, and the difference represented by this red line here is going to be x2 minus x1. And that is the equation for the gradient. So what I highly recommend for you to do as a responsible student is to write out your new favorite equation, which is going to be m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now write it out 10 times whilst saying it out loud.